Now I'm going to show you another experiment that helps us to see why plants and trees are really important. We already know that flowers are really good for bees, and we need bees for our pollination, but there's another reason that all plants and trees are really good for the environment. Now I've got a candle here, and I've lit my candle, hopefully you can see. Now the wax of the candle is something called a hydrocarbon, which just means it is made out of hydrogen and carbon. Now, the fuel that we use in our cars, so petrol and diesel, and also coal, which is used to make lots of our electricity, is also a hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons are really useful, but they're also a bit bad for the environment, because they release something called carbon dioxide. I've got a spoon here, and if I hold it over the candle, we'll be able to see in a second some of the carbon from that carbon dioxide is going to stick to the spoon. Now, carbon is really thick and black. Let me show you. Can you see the black on the bottom of the spoon? That's all the carbon that came out of that candle just when we were burning it for only a few seconds. I'm going to blow my candle out nice and safely. So this carbon that's going up into the atmosphere is quite bad for the environment. It's going up into the air, and scientists are worried that it's making our planet a bit hotter. Now, every time we breathe, we also breathe out carbon dioxide. Now, there's something that is natural in the world that can actually take this carbon from the air and turn it into oxygen, which we need to breathe. And that thing is plants. So, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, but plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. So every plant that we grow is actually cleaning our air and creating oxygen for us to breathe. That's pretty amazing.